And what is up, guys? What is going on? Well, good morning. It is 9 in the morning right now, and I am driving to Alameda. So today there is just a car meet. So one of my buddies invited me to it, and well, here I am on my way. Also, I am going to be picking up a set of carbon fiber mirror caps. I want to say mirror covers. They're gonna be the full replacement, not just the little one that you like stick in and with, you know, like 3M tape. It's gonna be a full carbon fiber replacement. So I am about 10 minutes from there. So yeah, let me finish this drive and then I'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, so we made it, but it looks like all these like cars are already living. Supras, BMWs, Lexuses, there's hella shit here. But it seems like all of them are already living. So let's see. Damn, look at this sick ass car right over here. Sheesh. Not a Lexus, or Genesis actually. We got a Rocket Bunny BRC over here. Okay, boy. So, alright, so we have made it. Low M3, Porsche. Alright, so I made it. Supra, some beds. So now that I'm here, let me go look for my boy. Alright, I just came to the main thing, and the first thing I see, damn, look at that. Next one, 1M. This thing is clean. Okay. Another one. GTR. This is an S15, yeah, right hand drive. Skyline.
Yeah, 12 Pro.
Hella shit out here. Little Tesla. M2 on the DEs. Alright, get on fire. Looking for my boy, let's see. Evo. Oh, I think it's crazy right there. I'm gonna come back to see that. Alright, little Evo. I have no idea what the fuck that is. McLaren. before we go home. Look at these. I have no clue what that is. CTSV boys. S2000. Initial D? Okay. Damn. Look at this. It's crazy. Cappuccino. Oh, that's the one I saw on my way here. Well, I want to say that it was a pretty cool turnout. I didn't record much because I ended up finding my boy, and we were just kicking it. We were just watching cars and shit. So it was pretty cool. We got all the bikers out here, and this is the first time that I actually recorded video with the GoPro, so I don't know how good I did a job of recording everything, but we'll see. Just let me know, guys. This is like the backside of, you know, the main show over there by the ships and everything, but you know, pretty cool turnout. Just look at my M over there. Looks all alone. When I parked, I was like right next to like more M3s and I think an M4 or something, but yep. Sheesh. So that's how the back sitting, hecka nice. And then you come in the front and the equipment's still kinda so we'll see if I can fix that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.